Hi there. Welcome to my art studio tour. Technically 2025, but it's 2026 now. But I've been living here for like a year and a half, and this is going to be the most realistic art studio tour you've ever seen because I was literally just about to start sculpting, and I was like, I gotta film this before I don't. So it's not as clean and perfect as some art studio tours that you might see out there, but it's me, and that's okay. So over here, I kind of have like my little jewelry area and my little mirror where I kind of get ready in the morning. I have my treadmill that I kind of sat up because it's like one of my standing treadmills, and my little like bulletin board and just some random art things that I pinned. And this is all my little jewelry things up here. I have all my cakes. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them. Again, this is really messy. I literally there's things thrown around everywhere. But you know what? I don't really care at this point because it's realistic and that's what a tour is. So we have that and my little cat bed. I repeat, I am not showing you my closet. If you saw a reel of me showing it one time when I was cleaning it out, it may or may not be back in a very unorganized situation again. Basically, there's just a bunch of craft supplies in there. And then I have some hats on the wall. And then my window, it's winter time here in Ontario, Canada. So it's very gloomy and gray outside. I have a cat climbing around everywhere. Anyways, let's get right into it. This is my standing desk, and this is where I film all my videos. I have my beautiful tripod, random scrap clays in here, and then normally I have Turbo the snail here, but he's actually on a shelf in the hallway right now, so he's not there right now because I was reorganizing his little terrarium. But yeah, like literally I was just about to start working here, so that's why it looks like this. I just have random lip balms and stuff here, some liquid clay just at reach, all of my polymer clay tools, my pasta machine for my polymer clay. If you're the first time watching this and you're like the first time on my channel, I'm a polymer clay artist. So if you didn't know that already. Gaby, what on earth are you looking for? So up here, I have this little plant. I have my Webkins, my prized possessions, love them. Some plant propagation, the 2 paintings that I painted. I have a bunch of my paints in a little rainbow order because I think it looks aesthetic, and just some random things that I've been sculpting. I did have a variegated monstera right here, but I think from our floor heaters that we have, it kind of got a little like brown. I don't really know. I'm kind of having it in a little therapy moment right now because I don't think it likes it here. This area also gets direct sun, so I just don't think it was liking it there. So we moved it, and this guy seems to like direct sun, so we have him there. Maybe he just wants to be a part of this. I'm not sure what's going on here. But in these drawers, I just have like a bunch of clay stuff. Honestly, guys, this is so unorganized, but I'll give you a sneak peek. I never said I was the most organized girl out here, but like for me, it makes sense in my brain, okay? It makes sense. It makes sense to me, okay? This might be chaotic for some, but it works for me, okay? So yeah, that's my little drawers there. And I have basically unopened clays in here. So that's kind of organized, and that's all cute. This is my label printer. This is the remote to my treadmill. Kiwi she wants to narrate the tour, I think, honestly. So in these drawers, it's kind of like more random stuff. So this is just kind of like my planner and just sticky note type stuff. I have my UV resin stuff in here. I have like random, like a cutter here, more things to sculpt on here, sketchbooks, you know. This stuff is just all like jewelry making stuff, and I kind of just have it out right now just because I'm always making stuff. I don't know what this cat is doing. Okay, you are not making this easy. Get out of the plant, ma'am. I have this plant that's from outside in the summertime, and it's kind of just struggling being inside, so hopefully it can make it until next summer. This is my little, like, what are these called again? Pegboards? Honestly, again, it's very messy. I have Littlest Pet Shops. Don't ask. I just do. Webkins, Littlest Pet Shops, you know, just a girl born in the 2000s. This is a clock that I made for a Michael's video. It's like fall themed, but I kind of love it, so I just keep it up. This is the same painting I had in my last studio tour. I painted this in high school. I just love it. It always looks so cute on my wall, and yeah. So this is my little monitor, which honestly I don't use that much anymore. I print labels on it and stuff, and I play games on it, like The Sims and stuff, because I did just buy a MacBook, but obviously I can't play The Sims on that because it would explode and actually like take off into orbit. This planner, I rave about this planner. Love it so much. If you're a content creator, I would invest in this. This is the cutest little sketchbook I've ever seen. I thought this one was the smaller version of the big one that I had from Dollarama, but then I just found this one and it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's very, very cute. My iPad, my keyboard, just other random knick-knacky things. This is like my DJI Osmo 3 Pocket 3 case thing. I kind of keep it out because I'm just filming randomly. I have this cool little like moon light thing. It's very cool. So this is here. This was for a video that I was filming. Okay, and she's back. She's back. Okay. This is a very exciting work thing that I'm doing. I'm not going to show you anymore, but this package is very exciting. Over here, I just have pens and like random stuff. Like in here, I just have stuff that I just never sold, honestly. I think a lot of this is from like the Halloween launch. Never got it in the shop, did I? No, I did not. Yeah. So I have that in there. I think this is just like random clay stuff. And then down here is more stuff that I never sold. Oh my gosh, this cat. This cat, guys, this cat. She just wants to be involved. Okay, you have to get down, my girl. You have to get down. This is just more random stuff in here. Yeah. You know, just random things. This is when you drink tea and coffee, this will keep it warm. It's very cool, actually. Big little plant here. And then this is my shelf. I'm going to move my chair over. I have my computer down there with my garbage and like a wine rack thing that I think I'm saving for our future house because we're renting and I don't want to put a bunch of holes in the wall. So I just decided not to do it. This is just more polymer clay. I have a air filter, slippers, Christmas presents, yarn, Cricut stuff, random garbage, makeup, more garbage, printer, random storage, random earrings. This one got squished. Oh no, I have to fix that. Random receipts. My Row Life little build things, which look really cute lit up. I should have plugged them in. Actually, let me plug them in for you guys because they're so cute. Aren't they so cute? They're very cute. They like flicker. But yeah, I have a bunch of just yarn, knitting stuff. Honestly, I'm a cluttered artist. What can I say? This is from my Laneige partnership. I did a Chips Ahoy partnership. I bought this when I started making my book as like inspo. And I kind of just kept it. This is from my Nickelodeon sponsorship. Again, I still never painted the teeth on them. I have my actual book that I made, which I need to make a segment in a video talking about my book and everything because a lot of you guys are receiving them and I'm so excited about it. I have my Prismacolor pencils because I love drawing with those. I had a whole era of drawing with those. I have my little UGG shoes that I sculpted for a sponsorship and my little Browns little sponsorship I did 2 different shoe collabs in like 1 month. It was super random, but I had a blast sculpting shoes for the first time and it was really fun. This was my old vlogging camera, my like jumbo camera, which I will film tutorials on because it is still a really good camera. My UV light and just some more jewelry making things and my giant pothos plant, which I've had forever, and it just vines out everywhere, and I love it so much. When I take it down to water it, it looks so, like, empty in here. It's like, I just love her so much. She's my favorite. This was actually, like, a new addition that I did recently because I needed a place to do my makeup because I would do it standing in the mirror in the bathroom, like, every single day, and I was just getting bored of it. Hello, everyone. So yeah, I just have Just a bunch of random makeup, honestly. Like, I need a better system to organize this, but it is what it is for now. Just have a bunch of bags because I don't know where else to put them. So that's that. And yeah, that's literally the whole studio tour. It's really nothing crazy. I honestly love watching these kind of videos, so I thought that I could, do my updated version of this because I did do it in my last apartment. And yeah, we're just in a new era now. I was just really excited to share with you guys, even though it's not perfect, and that's okay. It does not have to be perfect for me to be creative. I have dreams and goals for what I would like to do with my future studio space, but for now, we are working with what we got. So yeah, and here's Kiwi just, I don't even know what she's doing. She's just being a menace at this point. All right, guys, that's literally my studio tour. I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up if you love seeing into other people's houses because we're nosy human beings. We just want to see like where people work and stuff. I know I love watching these kind of videos because I love to see how people have their setups for things. So as a sculptor and a painter and a drawer, I have a lot going on in here. And yeah, you got to work with what you got, and this room is only so big and I only have so much stuff. So if you guys have any organization tips for me, I would love to hear it in the comments, like ways that you've organized your craft stuff or anything that you think would work in this room. Let me know, especially on a budget because I'm only a renter, and in the future I'd love to have a built-in organization system into my walls. Like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm so excited for 2026. I love you.